Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into a powerful new tool from Microsoft called the Attestation Readiness Verifier or TPM Reliability. If you are running Windows 11 version 24H2, this lightweight tool can help you ensure your Trusted Platform Module or TPM is working as it should, boosting system security and compatibility. In this video, I will walk you through what it does, why it matters, and how to use it step by step. So let's get started. First, a quick primer. The Trusted Platform Module or TPM is a hardware chip that enhances security on your device. It's critical for features like BitLocker encryption, Windows Hello, and system attestation. With the Attestation Readiness Verifier, Microsoft gives us a way to check TPM health, simulate measured boot log verification, and catch potential security or reliability issues before they become problems. This tool is especially useful for IT admins, OEMs, and anyone managing Windows 11 devices. So what can it do? It helps ensure your system is compatible with Windows features, identify security risks proactively, and confirms that your device boots in a trusted state. It's built into Windows 11 version 24H2 and logs its finding in the event viewer after every boot or hibernate resume cycle. Let's see how to access and use it. Alright, here is the step-by-step guide. Follow along on your Windows 11 device if you would like. We are going to catch the TPM health status using the event viewer. In step 1, open the event viewer. You can do this by pressing the Windows key, typing event viewer in the search bar, and then hitting enter. Here it is. Let's click to launch it. In step 2, once event viewer is open, look at the left hand pan, expand Windows log by clicking the little arrow next to it, then select system. This is where the TPM related events are logged. Now we need to filter the logs to focus on TPM events. In the right hand actions pan, click filter current log. A dialog will pop up. In the event sources drop down under the filter tab, scroll down and select TPM-WMI. That stands for TPM Windows Management Instrumentation. Once selected, click OK to apply the filter. In step 4, with the filter applied, look through the list of events in the main window. We are specifically looking for event ID 1041. This is where the Attestation Readiness Verifier reports the TPM health status. So here is one I found. Let's click it to see the details. When you open the event ID 1041, you will see one of the 3 possible health states. First, attestable. This means all checks passed and your TPM is in great shape for attestation. Second, possibly attestable. This indicates a potential issue with the platform configuration registers or PCRs, which are updated by your firmware and stored in the TPM. If you see this, try restarting your device. If that doesn't fix it, you might need to contact your device or UEFI vendor. Finally, there is a state where attestation might fail entirely, signaling a bigger problem, though that it's less common. The tool checks things like whether the TPM is responsive, if the PCRs match expected values, and if necessary certificates like the endorsements key certificates are present. It is a fantastic way to get the visibility into your system boot process and ensures everything is secure. Now, a few pro tips. If you are an IT admin managing a fleet of devices, use this tool to verify security compliance across your organization. For OEMs and or BIOS developer, it's perfect for validating Windows security feature during testing. And for everyday users, it's a simple way to confirm your device is running as securely as possible. And here is a bonus tip. If you are curious about broader Windows 11 compatibility, including TPM and other hardware checks, you might also try a third-party tool like Why Not Win 11. It's a free open source app on GitHub that scans your system and tells you if it meets Windows 11 requirements. I will drop a link in the description if you want to check it out. That's it for today's guide on Attestation Readiness Verifier for TPM reliability. It's a small but mighty tool that keeps your Windows 11 secure and reliable. Plus, now you have got an extra option with Why Not Win 11 if you want to dig deeper. If you found this video helpful, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tutorials, and let me know in the comments if you have tried either tool or have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.